In this video, I will show you how to create a one-time card on Klarna. To do this, simply go and open up the Klarna app, and from within Klarna, go to Wallet in the bottom right. Now there, where it says Pay with Klarna, under that you will see one-time card. Go and click on the card itself, and from here just search for the store that you want to use it for. So it does need to be an eligible store, but they have a bunch of them. For example, I'll use Amazon. So from there, just gonna click on it. And then here you can then click on continue to the website where you want to pay with the card. So in this case, Amazon. And now if I click on pay with Klarna in the bottom, I can then click create one-time card. Then just choose how much you want to spend using Klarna and click continue. And then from there you can go and click on agree and create card in order to create this one-time card that in this case can be used on Amazon. So then you can just enter the card details in order to actually pay with it. So now you know how to create a one-time card on Klarna. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.